welcome back to another episode of Hog Wars. I don't know what episode we're on. Let's just call it 7 because 7's a good lucky number. We are headed over there. The hogs over on the west pasture, they've quit coming over there, which is good for us. However, on the east side of the property, which I have taken you out there before, they're back. So we're going to head over there. I put 50 pounds of corn out earlier today. We're going to run over there. We're going to get up in our saddle and see what we can make happen. Got the bike loaded up. We're going to be taking the long way there. The wind is dying down, but it is still blowing towards the northeast. So it's in our favor over there on the east side of this. So we're going to go the long way there. We get closer over to the tree, I'll take you up in the tree with me and we'll get set up. Did bring the hog call with me. I want to give it a try. See if that hog's up milling around. He's actually been coming in about an hour after dark. I want to see if I can get him in during daylight, just for the video for you guys. So we're going to try calling him in and see what happens. So I'll get back with you as soon as we get to the bottom of our tree. We're going to park the bike and hike in about a quarter of a mile. So we're going to ride about a half a mile out of the way, just to have the wind in our favor. There's a real nice deer right there, guys. Look at this deer. He ain't even paying no attention. She finally seen me. Just for fun, I want to throw this out here, but this is the first time that I've been wearing orange because we're into the rifle season now. By law, you're not required to wear it on private property, but I also know people are hunting right now. It's general season here in Texas. And recently I read a post on Facebook, which I thought was absolutely comical, and the guy was talking about, all these e-bikes are scaring all the deer movement's changed, blah, blah. Well, he's got the comments turned off on it because I was going to light them up. But either way, I can tell you this, that deer that you just seen run off is the only one that has ever took off running like that, and I think it's this stupid orange. And then you factor in the amount of hunters that are going to be out in the woods when the weather's nice, whether they're on an e-bike or not. Yeah, that's going to change the patterns, but blaming it on an e-bike is just grasping at straws, and that's somebody who either wishes they had an e-bike or needs to mind their own business, because the e-bike ain't got nothing to do with deer patterns. And if you've got people like the Michigan State and all these doing all these deer surveys saying that no, the moon phase don't, the weather don't, then their studies ought to next be about how the e-bikes don't either, because I promise you it ain't got nothing to do with the deer. Now, I do believe the deer can see the orange, but in full camo, I have yet to have a deer run off. And I'll throw in a clip right here of me on my phone on public land where we can wear camo back in Oklahoma, and I'm going to show you this buck that's coming to me. Two of us are riding side by side on e-bikes, and this buck starts coming to me. So don't tell me that they're scared and they run off and they totally go. Anyways, enough of my rant. Let's go hog hunt, because you can't help people that don't want help. If any of you grew up out here in East Texas and you know what the name of this trail is that I'm riding beside, comment down below, because it is actually a historical trail. If you guys would like to learn more about it. Oh man, what was that? That was a deer call. If you guys would like to learn more about that trail, comment and I'll do a video for you, because it's a historical trail. And I'll give you a hint of where I'm at. You know I'm in East Texas, but this is not too awful far from the Stagecoach Trail, the haunted one over there on the north side. I've done a video on it, so you just have to go back. It's like Stagecoach something. All right, we got to be quiet. We're getting over here closer to where I'm going to start walking. We got about a quarter-mile hike, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so it's about 10 o'clock. I did use the game call. We were able to call up 3 different deer. I'll show you a clip of that. But the hogs didn't show up.